want to say welcome, good morning. I see a lot of great employees that are out here, but I see a lot of community members as well. And I want to thank you all for being here. When I think back 5 years ago, we spoke about bringing a greater awareness and a collective impact to the fight against opioids and overdoses here in Waukesha County. We were seeing great progress over the years. However, the past year, the pandemic caused some challenges. We're here today to renew our efforts to regain the ground that we lost this past year. I'm here today with our Health and Human Services Director, Elizabeth Aldred, who will provide the results of the past 5 years, the PDO grant that we worked with. And I'm also here with the Honorable Brad Schimmel, our Circuit Court Judge and former Attorney General, who's going to give us an update on one of our notable programs, the Waukesha County Drug Court. And I'm also here with John Kettler, one of our employees who's integral when it comes to the fight that we have on opioid awareness. When you think back to 2017, we kicked off a major push to reduce overdose deaths in Waukesha County. We were awarded a grant as part of the Wisconsin Prescription Drug Opioid Overdose Related Deaths Prevention Project, say that right, otherwise known as the PDO project. That grant helped us to educate, inform, and help the community. In the past 4 years of that project, our efforts saved at least 240 lives by equipping the community with Narcan, educating them and teaching them how to use it. We saw a consistent decrease in the opioid hospitalizations and deaths throughout the county. Then last year, COVID-19, the pandemic, disrupted both our lives and the programs in place to help those most at risk. We watched the devastating ripple effect from the decisions made in response to the pandemic. When the world was shut down last year, many people experienced conditions we know are more likely to result in substance abuse. Higher anxiety, stress, isolation, unemployment. Many people lost access to treatment and other resources. That, combined with more dangerous drugs like the fentanyl on our streets, resulted in a spike in drug-related deaths more than we've ever seen before in this community. In 2020, 83 residents lost their lives to drug-related causes. Our medical examiner's office is continuing to look at the cases, and that number could go up. We need to reaffirm our efforts. This is the time to remember those we have lost, but it's also a time to act to prevent further tragedies. Today, I'm proclaiming it Overdose Awareness Day in Waukesha County on this International Day of Recognition.